Hey guys, I am here with my Nutrimill Artiste. So that one's the Bosch, this guy's the Bosch that I usually use, and this is the Artiste. It's made by the sister company to Bosch in the United States, Nutrimill. Its bowl is the same size, but it does have a different motor, and I got the first batch initially like 18 months ago, and that one wasn't quite up to par. It couldn't make it through most of my bread, and so they said this was a new one. Let's send you a new and improved Artiste. So they sent me one. It did make it through all of my bread. It did stop right at the end of my bread, but you guys, my bread is rough on a mixer. It is 12 cups of 100% freshly ground whole wheat. It is heavy and it's rough. So most people aren't making that much crazy bread like I am. So that's something to think about. The one thing I didn't love about the Artiste, there he is with my bread in it, is the mixing shield. So this guy, he keeps popping off. And he actually pops off when I make regular stuff like whipping cream. So you can buy the Bosch one and it fits on the bowl. I tried that today and it worked really well. They had mentioned taking it off once all the ingredients are in, but it whipped around bread in my kitchen. So I wouldn't recommend that. But you can buy the other shield. The Artiste is about a good amount less than the Bosch. And so if you feel like the Bosch is out of your price range, I actually recommend this over the KitchenAid because the KitchenAid will barely even mix my bread. It won't even get into the hard kneading at all. And so I do think this has a better motor than the KitchenAid, but not as good as a Bosch, which makes sense. It's a lot cheaper than the Bosch. So that's my verdict on the Artiste today. If you guys have any questions about it, please ask me in the comments. Otherwise, I hope this helped you out. We'll talk to you later. Bye.